Okay, so what is consumer surplus? Well, it's an integral. So let's erase all this stuff here. Clicky, clicky, clicky. Circly, circly, circly. Oh, whatever. Just get the worst of it. Delete. Sure. Okay, consumer surplus. Consumer surplus. Let's do that one first. That's going to be equal, well, it's just the area here, which we will calculate as an integral. So you have an upper function, which is the demand curve, and you have a lower function, which is just this horizontal line here. Okay, add to your notes the equilibrium point is x with a bar on top and p with a bar on top. So x bar, p bar. So consumer surplus is, we're doing an integral from 0 to x bar. 0 to x bar. And we are taking the demand function is our upper function minus just this horizontal line, p bar. Dx. Okay, so area between curves. And if you work this out, what do you get? Well, you know what? This is fine. This is fine for your formula. You can use this as your formula. That's fine. You can simplify a little bit. You can look in the book if you want to see what they do. So producer surplus is a little bit different. You have upper function is the horizontal line. So it's still 0 to x bar. Upper function is p bar, my horizontal line. And then the lower function is your supply curve, s of x and dx. Okay. Those are the formulas. So let's do an example, which I will cut and paste right now. Okay, here it is. Let me just make it bigger for you. Badoo. Okay, so pause, copy that down, and let's jump in. Demand function is, so this is d of x. Equilibrium quantity, that is x bar. And then we're told to sketch and find consumer surplus. So, excuse me. So d of x here is a downward sloping curve. Oops, do some erasing over here. Downward sloping curve. So we'll just, doesn't have to be super accurate for these questions. So if I look at d of x, sub in x equals 0, and you get 100 here. And then if I sub in 8, I get 20. So where is 20? Roughly here. So I'm going to go through this point here. So I'm going to go from that point there. And then I want to get 8. Look at that. So this curve, we'll just say it goes something like, oops, it's going to go through this point right here. Let's draw a smooth hyperbolic curve there. And we're told that 8 is the equilibrium quantity. So that's my dotted line going across here. And there's my consumer surplus right there. So consumer surplus is 0 to x bar, demand function, minus equilibrium price, which is 20. So again, this is x bar down here, and the 20 is p bar. Okay, so what do we get? We get 200 ln of x plus 2 minus 20x from 0 to 8. Which dot 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 is going to give us 161.89. Okay, you can check this calculation as an exercise. And we will do another example in the next video.